Good Friday evening, Southeast Texas. Looking pretty good for Friday night football. There could be a few showers. We'll give a 40% risk at kickoff. That should be improving, and decreasing rain chances are expected by the end of the game. Good luck to area teams. Otherwise, here's what we expect over the next several days. Scattered showers and storms, once again, mainly for the Triangle coming up for tomorrow. This is ahead of a weak front Sunday, and much of next week looking dry across the area. So at 30% coverages here in the Triangle, we'll give it a 20% shot up in the Lakes area, and then with the front, drier air mass filters on in, and then a ridge of high pressure will pretty much ensure dry weather through much of next week. Rainfall amounts, some areas not much, as in northern Newton County, but as much as 1 to 2 inches fell in the Lakes area. Hardin County 2 to 3 inches, and here in the Triangle, especially over towards Westport Arthur, Beaumont and Vidor picking up a good 2, 3, 4 inches in some spots of badly needed rainfall, just coming in too quickly. Otherwise, disturbances continue to roll on through. We'll be watching this trough of low pressure move through the area on Sunday, and that will drag a cold front, a weak one, through southeast Texas, and that'll bring us slightly cooler mornings on Monday and Tuesday. The afternoons will still be hot because it's a weak cold front. It's bringing drier rather than cooler air, so maybe not as humid as what we've been accustomed to here lately, coming up Monday, Tuesday, and possibly Wednesday. In the tropics, continue to watch Hurricane Lee. It is continuing to weaken as it takes aim up into the New England. Just a grazing of tropical storm force winds there, heading over towards Nova Scotia and then New Brunswick, bypassing Maine the way it looks right now. Otherwise, no issues in the Gulf of Mexico the next several days as far as the tropics are expected. So this evening, we're watching the showers and thunderstorms weaken and move on in. So we'll give it a 30, maybe 40% coverage. Best coverages look up like over towards Tyler County at the present time. Then overnight, looking pretty quiet with some patchy fog. We'll see lows near 70 in the lakes, low to mid 70s in the Triangle. Then tomorrow, not much in the lakes area. We'll give it a 20% coverage there. And the question is, do we see a refiring of showers and storms coming up tomorrow afternoon along that weak stalled front along the coastline? Plentiful moisture over the Triangle. So we're going to go with a 30% coverage despite what is seen here, and high temperatures close to 90 degrees. On the Gulf of Mexico, mostly smooth seas around a foot are expected. We'll see north and northwest winds at 5 to 10 knots. Water temperature 85 degrees. High tides at 4:51 a.m. and 4:57 p.m. at Sabine Pass. Our forecast tonight is 40% coverage mainly during the evening hours. After about 8 o'clock, looks pretty quiet. Some patchy fog is possible. Lows near 70 are expected, and to the low to mid 70s in the Triangle. Then tomorrow, we'll go with a 20 to 30% coverage, mainly afternoon, evening showers, maybe a few storms. Best chances here in the Triangle with highs in the lower 90s. Extended forecast, that weak cold front coming in Saturday night, really into Sunday morning early, and we'll see a drier air mass filter on in. So not expecting any rain on Sunday, and really for a good chunk of next week. Morning lows will cool into possibly the mid to upper 60s Monday and Tuesday. Those highs will still be hot. It's not a strong front, but the humidity levels will make it feel a lot more comfortable Monday and Tuesday afternoon. Then Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday, a couple of disturbances will move through. Right now, I just don't see the potential for much in the way of rainfall because the air is going to be dry below the cloud layer. So those lows warm up, and we'll see mainly just clouds, an increase in cloud cover with highs in the lower 90s. Then as we welcome fall, nothing says fall like 92 for your high, right? A ridge of high pressure builds on in. We may start to actually see those high temperatures climb a bit. Slight chance of showers, maybe a week from Monday. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.